Can you play YouTube videos in background on Android? Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna see if you're able to play the YouTube videos on your background on your Android device. Go ahead and open up your YouTube application. So to play the videos on the background, then it is not available on the free version of YouTube. So you are gonna have to subscribe to YouTube Premium, which gives you a feature to simply play the videos in the background. So what I can do is just click on any one of the video here. And while the video is playing, if I just go ahead and go to my home screen like this, then I'm not able to keep it playing because it will shut down and the video will be paused. So what you're gonna have to do is just go back, close this out, and then if you tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, then you can just scroll down to get YouTube Premium, tap on it. And here you'll see all of the options, all of the perks of YouTube Premium. You could get ad-free so you can immerse yourself into favorite videos without interruptions. Download your videos to watch later when you're offline or on the go. And then background play so you can watch your videos while using other apps or even when your screen is locked. Then you can stream all of the music you want to hear ad-free on YouTube Music app as well. So just go ahead and tap on try 1 month for free, and you could always cancel anytime, so you could just subscribe to YouTube Premium and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.